just up there on that hill where the road goes up. That's where we stopped for the view when we came. And we came down that road all the way along the coast till we got to Orobitch, which is there. And then we obviously came through the Orobitch, and the bus is parked. Minibus is parked directly opposite me. Oh, 1:30. Really old bells they are as well. We'll make a move back down now and head down to this area here. Have a look through the market stalls, and then we've got to get the boat just across here at the marina before we head back over to the mainland. We'll head back down these steps now, very carefully, underneath the bells. Really old bells, there's 5 of them in total, 2 big ones, 2 above, up there, 2 above up there, and 1 just there on the corner.